So now coming to the most important farming like biological control. So for that one, we should conserve in predator and parasitoid. So earlier already I told that in pest management in organic practices, it is not a single step. We should take care in each and every step when we are growing that crop. So we should conserve that important predators and parasitoid in our cropping system by agro ecosystem like ladybird beetle, Chrysophala carnea, and Cryptolemus. These are the major predators to suppress the different soft bodies insect in the crop ecosystem. Like important parasitoid like trichogramma, it is very much popular for controlling that helicoverpa and other leptopteran pest in rice stem borer and brinjal pit shoot borer and pod borer damage in tomato and fruit borer damage in tomato, etc. And among that, larval parasitoid dracon habitat or dracon species is very much important for organic farming. So now I'm coming to the botanical. So among that botanical, many botanicals are there, but few botanicals are available in commercial formulation also like neem. Yeah, we can use in very in number of insect pest in field crops as well as stored product. And apart from that, neem and anonine and corongin is also popular and for management of insect pest in organic farming. And citrus oil also we can use against the subbodies insect, and garlic extract is also used very wide variety of insect pest in under organic farming. So these in now I am coming to that another important component of pest management under organic farming like bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis. It is very much popular to control that different type of lepidopteran pest in many crops, and it is easily available in market in different trade name. So and like that virus we can use some NPV Helicoverpa specific NPV and Sporophora specific NPV we can use for successfully management of this pest under organic farming system. And among that fungus, Beauveria bassiana is very much effective against the lepidopteran and coleopteran pest, and Metarhizium anisably. These are lepidopteran and other insect pest also, and Verticillium lacali is very much effective against the soft bodies insect in many crops. So now coming to that birational approach, it is the pheromone techniques is very much useful in case of brinjal foot shoot borer and the pink bollworm and American bollworm, all are available in market. We can use to manage successfully this pest. And among the insect attractant, methyl vigilant for fruit fly trap is very much useful in fruit flies control in fruit and vegetable, Cucurbitaceous vegetable, and as well as many fruit crops like mango and other things. And among that antibiotic, that pyrethrum and azadirachtin is effective and as well as popular as antibiotic for many insect pests. So and several challenges is also there for organic pest management, and like any organic grower should have experience or should have knowledge about that, understand the pest and beneficial organism that usually in that crop. And another, the grower need to have biological, ecological, and behavioral knowledge about the pest and natural enemy. Sometimes they should knowledge that which stage is very much harmful to the crop, and a different stage of natural enemy like predatory beetle, coccinellid beetle, their grub is predate on that larvae. So organic grower should know which is the beneficial and which is the pest. Sometimes they confuse, and times farmers ask to the immature stages of that coccinellid beetle, they show that this is the harmful insect pest in our crop. So how we can manage them? Then we can sometimes remove their confusion. This is not a insect pest; it is that natural enemy. Should not kill through spraying of any harmful chemicals. So another thing is their timely adoption of appropriate management practices. If we see any appropriate measure at that particular time, suppose sowing time or these management practices mislead that insect pest enhancement. So therefore, it is very difficult through that only like biopesticide or botanical pesticide. So we should integrate all these possible option one by one, seeing that insect waste under organic waste management. Important thing is their supply and availability of biopesticide and bioagent and quality product. So otherwise, sometimes we spray or we employ all these possible available biopesticide, but if product is not so good, success will not come. So these are the challenges. And now I coming to that important insect pest, important crop pest of northeastern region, because this is now Kharif season. So that's why I am showing some important crops like rice, maize, ginger, and turmeric. These crops are growing in Kharif season. So here in rice, major insect pests are upland rice in white grab, leaf folder, rice span, rice stem borer. So these are that picture of white grab. So they feed on that underground part and kill that crop, and sometimes that yellowish color developed in upper surface of the plant. So when digging that soil, so we can find that immature larvae. So we should go for that management. So for management of that white grub, we should use that well fermented decomposed FYM, and biologically we can manage if we use that 250 kg FYM enriched with Metarhizium anisably or Beauveria bassiana, and spread throughout that soil, then we can manage it. We can manage the white grub. Another deep plying during the summer season, so that expose that immature stages for and predate by that another birds and other predators. So next, these are the stem borer damage. They also cause an two times earlier stage they cause that dead heart, and later stage the earhead. So these are another important lepidopteran pest in leaf folder in rice in northeastern region. These are the case worms. So all these lepidopteran pest we can manage through that biological control. It has been found that it's 7 to 9 releases of Trichogramma chilonis and Trichogramma japonica at the 1 lakh per hectare at weekly interval, starting from 30 days after transplanting, prove as effective as standard insecticide treatment for control of stem borer and leaf folder in rice field. And another for plant hopper management in rice, we use that we release that merit bug at the rate of 100 bug or 50 to 75. So these are natural control. So we should conserve all these natural enemies like Cotacea flaviceus and Xanthopimla flavones and Stenodragon, nice belly. All these are parasitoid that eggs of rice stem borer. So next, these are that some predators, important predator which predate on that soft body insect like plant hoppers or aphids, etc. So these are also important natural enemies in ecosystem. So we conserve this. And the dragonfly and ground beetle is also predate on larvae on leaf folder. So now I coming to that ITK's practice in northeastern regions for leaf folder or leaf roller. They use that cut the bamboo shoots into species and spray in rice field after soaking in water in overnight. So and another one ITK's is very popular in this region. Well fermented wine pomace, usually made up with that millet, are placed at the source of irrigation channel for Prera's rice field to control that leaf folder. And for Gandhi bug, they use that dead frogs or crab are placed on the top of the stick, and they attract that Gandhi bug, and thereby they manage this pest. And sometimes they burning the tire in evening time. It is also useful to attract that Gandhi bug and manage this pest. So for stem borer, they steam decoction of neem. Actually, they use that neem extract and that sprinkling in that rice crop for managing the stem borer. Another IT case is they are keeping the slice of Pumalu and in that paddy field at the rate of 1 trap per 6 meters square, and for managing the stem borer. And another IT case is they are placing of chopped leaves of Indian rhododendron or Futuca. So this is also effective for managing the stem borer, and placing the few branches of fern, and another placing the citrus pills is also effective for managing the stem borer. And for rice caseworm, they use that kerosene dipped rope installed in the water of the rice field. And another practice they follow in spreading the raw cow dung during in the field water for managing this rice caseworm. So now coming to the insect pest of maize. So in northeastern region, stem borer is another important insect pest. They cause that damage in early stage 20 to 25 days. So causing that short hole and then subsequently produce the dead. We can manage by releasing the Trichogramma chilonis at the rate of 2,50,000 per hectare, coinciding the egg laying period. So during 20 to 30 days after sowing, so that they can parasitize their eggs and control this pest. And another effective biopesticide is very much effective in BT formulation at the rate of 2 gram per liter of water. So now coming to that another unique pest in northeastern region like cob borer. It is very much unique and confined only northeastern region and especially Meghalaya, and they start the attack at the silking stage, and larvae bore into that cob and making the gallery and make the unfit for human, and it is they after entering into the cob, they make them unfit for human consumption. So we should not manage through that chemical control also, because they are only attacked at the very later stage, so some residue problem will be there. So we should only option for organic management, and we can manage this pest through the burning of crop residue to destroy the overwintering stage, help to reduce the infestation in next season, and deep ploughing during the March April to expose the immature stages to predate. And another early sowing is very much effective for this pest. If we sown this crop in mid of March to first week of April, so reduce that cob borer infestation. And some sorghum varieties also we use as a trap crop. So now we coming to the another emerging and invasive pest like fall armyworm, and it is infested in since 2019. These are the damage. When they attack, so they destroy like anything. And last year also here infestation was very much high, and this is a picture in our own in farmers field here. So we can manage in different practices like cultural practices. Deep ploughing is recommended for this insect pest, so that the immature stage will expose to predator, and timely sowing is advisable. And also we can go through the intercropping with the other crop like pigeon pea, black gram to reduce this pest. And another thing is that cultivation of maize hybrid with tight husk cover will reduce the ear damage by fall armyworm. And mechanical control we can also done by picking and destruction of egg masses. And another important cultural mechanical control is application of dry sand into the hole affected of maize plant soon after the observation. It will be very much effective in also we have done this experiment, and we got that better result here. And mass trapping of male moth through the using that pheromone trap is also effective against this pest. If we coming to the biocontrol, so Trichogramma protrusion is effective at the rate of 50,000 per hectare at weekly interval based on the trap catch of 3 moth per trap. So now coming to the biopesticide, so 2 biopesticide is very much effective. Metarhizium anisably at the rate of 5 gram per liter, and Numeria really and 3 gram per liter, and at 15 to 10 days of spraying. And if infestation, we can repeat this 1 or 2 spray. And Bacillus thuringiensis is also effective at the 2 gram per liter of water. And here also different model consisting that maize plant April of 3rd week, and whole application of oil 2 times at 25 days interval starting from the early whole stage, found very much effective in reducing fall armyworm stage after 12 week after emergence in Meghalaya. So now ginger pest. Here ginger and turmeric and pest infestation is almost similar like fly and shoot borer and white graph, etc. All insect pest attack, and most both ginger and turmeric. So we can use control that rhizome fly like destruction of stray plant in off season and section of healthy rhizome for planting is very much important. Removal and destruction of rotting rhizome along with that maggot from the field crop is very much essential for managing this pest, and conserve an inundative of natural biogen like ladybird beetle, chrysophyte, and trichodermatis is very much effective. So now coming to that, rib roller is another important pest of ginger. So for managing this pest, we need to collect and destroy the larvae and egg masses, and do not allow the weed host to grow near the field, and conserve that all natural enemies what is the available in particular crop ecosystem like ladybird beetle, chrysophyte, epanctylis, etc. And release of Trichogramma chilonis is also effective against this pest at the rate of 20,000 per acre. And application of Bacillus thuringiensis at the rate of 2 gram per liter is 2 gram per liter of water is effective against this pest. Now coming to the another important pest to stem borer. For managing this stem borer, we need the cart open and pick up that caterpillar and destroy. Collection and destruction of the dead hearts also helpful to reduction this pest, and this pest cannot spread to whole field if we cart and destruction at very initial stage when it incidence is started. And another installation of light trap during mid-May to June is, and July month is effective for adult trapping, and Trichogramma chilonis is effective at the rate of 20,000 per acre. And sometimes application of Metargem and Beefery is also effective against this pest. So now white grub management, already I told for management of white grub. For this we should use that well decomposed FOM, and another, if we spread that soil enriched with that Beeveria bassiana and Metargem initially for controlling that white grub. And for overall pest management in ginger crop, different biointensive module tested, and that module consisting of rhizome treatment, that Lecacinium lecani, followed by foliar spray of azaratic and soil application of Metargem initially recorded the significantly lower infestation of shoot and rhizome feeder with an increase of 48% yield over compared to control. And now coming to the turmeric, in already I told that the space pattern is similar to that ginger, and turmeric is almost similar. So turmeric is also attacked by the shoot borer and Biarrieri caterpillar, rhizome fly, and leaf blower and skipper and white grub. All this already discussed in ginger part, so we are not going through again all this management of this leaf blower, white grub, etc. So now all this about that insect pest management in under organic system. So thank you to all.